Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. We now come to the final section of the Grade 2 ABRSM Discovering Music Theory workbook, and I help you through the practice exam paper. This practice exam paper at the back of this Grade 2 Discovering Music Theory workbook follows the format of the actual exam itself. You can find the full lesson for this lesson on my Patreon channel if you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill. You'll find the links to this lesson in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you can see sample examples of this lesson where I show you how to work your way through the questions of the practice exam paper. Once you feel that you are ready to take the ABRSM Grade 2 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to be best prepared for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're actually sitting the exam. This book is available from Amazon in either ebook or paperback format, and you can find the links to this in the cards and in the description box. All the information that you require can also be found on my website. If you visit www.sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. So we should have 2 beats per bar, and each beat will be a crotchet. So we need to show 2 crotchet beats per bar. So we've got 1 crotchet here, half a beat and half a beat gives us our second crotchet, and so the bar line will be here. Let's just double check, and so if we divide this, I find this easy to diagram out. There's our crotchet, half of a beat, there's a quaver, that's half of a crotchet beat, and then semi-quaver gives us the next crotchet, 1, 2, that's correct. So we've got an E flat, we've got a B flat, and we've got an A flat. So the key signature is B flats, E flats, A flats in that order. There are no other accidentals that we can't explain. That is the key signature for E flat major. And so now we're in the treble clef and we're counting from this top F, and we're counting line, space, line, space, line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 6th. And if you want to be sure, let's just write out the scale. I'll do it here, squish it in. Let's do it here. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is, if we think that's an F, G, A, B, C, D, we can see that D is indeed the 6th. So is it true or false that all the notes of the tonic triad of E flat major can be found in bar 2? So before we go looking, let's think what we're looking for. A tonic triad is built of the 1st, the 3rd and the 5th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E, F, G, A, B. And of course E flat major has a key signature of B flats, E flats and A flats, so we must have a B flat and an E flat there. So in bar 2, have we got an E flat? Bear in mind we have a key signature of B flats, E flats and A flats, so all of the flats will be there for us. So we have an E flat here and here, so that's the first of the tonic triad. We have, do we have a G? We have a G, and then we have a B flat. So E flat, G, B flat, E flat. So we've got the whole lot. So that's true.